How's it going? Wait, where's...
What?
Who's left?
I think James.
James,
but
you
he's
still
not
here?
here.
Oh, here.
Oh. Oh! His
I didn't know we
cursor was
started
off
a
the
game.
screen.
I thought-
You were thinking the same thing I was.
Oh, we gotta be able to make it over there, guys! Oh, man. Hail Mary full of grace jump. You suck. You suck.
I missed it. All right, James, your chance to get you some early points.
That's your fault for the placement of that cannon. Terrible placement.
Good.
Terrible placement. The nukes is up. It's too early in the game for nukes.
I think because we like missed it immediately, I think we like fucked over everybody.
Yeah. Of course he would. I was gonna say, don't hit my middle platform I just put there. Oh, gosh.
You asked for.
Oh man, that does not shoot you far at all. Ugh! That
Really
does not
worried
shoot
about
you
this.
far at all. There's no way. Now you need to run a start, bud.
I was gonna try to jump on the wall. I was gonna try to jump on the part that wasn't good and get over.
It's James's fault. And then Ethan didn't put that platform where it could help anybody.
Look, it's not my fault you put a spot I think we needed right behind my bomb.
Oh, I screwed it.
That's such a dick move.
Oh dear. Oh, I think I caught onto the building too. I should have kept jumping.
Oh.
This is a terrible map.
That's
No,
great.
it
We
would
just
be.
really fucked it.
It would be great if Cannon Bros didn't do a crappy job of putting down the first two cannons.
Of course he takes. Oh.
Okay.
All right, 80 and we're out. James, 80, and then we're out. We're doing farm or are we doing rooftop again?
Let's do rooftop.
All right,
and
rooftop it
get
is.
Frizzle this time. Frizzle my sizzle whizzle.
Can't see where I'm going. There's giant numbers in front of my screen.
James like, I can't see where I'm going. I'm blind.
I
There's a
pretty
giant
much was.
floating tube. I like that old Geico commercial with the guy riding off in the distance and he hits the end sign. Is this the end? He runs under it with his horse and it just clotheslines him.
Oh,
You
I
better
wanna
not.
be
Oh my
productive.
god.
Well, Ethan, it's up to
It's
you
already
to
bad
actually
enough, Douglas.
place that somewhere where we can use it. We can't make that jump either.
Yeah, you can. You gotta be good though.
Wait, what?
Oh, you turned collision off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa!
Solo, baby. Solo.
What happened to me?
You were on the
You
goo and
died.
then went off the goo.
That's so dumb.
Oh yes. You can put
Okay, the
you can put the
song
barrel
in
on
this has
that
a very
if you want.
faint Discord sound. That's
No,
what's been
yeah,
fucking
there you
getting
go.
me. Motherfucker! I hit the button too.
Mister, I know how to play this game.
You okay?
James, I don't understand the placement of the stairs.
Don't you keep me
crap.
from dying on the barbed wire?
To keep me from dying on the barbed wire. Jumps up!
I thought I could wall jump off the barrel.
You know if you like tap your jump button versus hold your jump button, you'll go like further? Oh god. Just build a staircase. I didn't have one though.
Yeah, but I pretended.
Right on this
I did look at
blade.
you and you were joking.
What if I was being serious? You thought I was broken.
You were smiling and looked at me and went.
What if I wasn't? What if I
You
actually-
almost put my eye out, man.
You didn't check on me?
Douglas is
Can
waiting.
I tell you where to put that?
Yeah, sure. Where you want it? Right here?
No, up here.
Like this?
Okay,
No,
screw
Oh.
you guys.
Put it right here.
How?
Yeah.
Like this?
No,
Or like
no,
this? Or
no,
like this?
The way you had it.
Like this?
Yeah, put it right. No. Put
They'll
it
just
long ways. Yeah,
step
put it
on the
long
wall.
ways.
Like that?
No, other long ways. Yeah, put it on top of that one.
It won't go anywhere like that. Because that's going to go up and down. Put it right here.
No, we're just gonna drop on top of it.
That was me.
Dumb. Damn, he got that wall climb.
You want to play? It's $8. It's fun. It's okay. It's fun.
$8 is too much for that shit. You kidding me? That's just transfer mice. But
Come
reskin
on. It's
with other
fun. Wow. Wow. That was impressive.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Oh, if James wins, he'll get underdog points. My cursor was like an inch away from that ice, and I hit A, and it didn't give it to me.
If you get it for me, I'll play.
Okay.
But I must warn you guys, I do have hours and hours of experience in another game very similar to that.
Alright, you ready? It'll like take 2 seconds to download as well, Katie. Alright. This will be the second person I've got the game for in the afternoon.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Ethan, 3, 2, 1. He did.
I died. Alright, I'm coming back. We're gonna get Katie in anyway. So. Alright, send it to you, baby. And then fix it.
Oh, it's not here. It was gonna get
Doggy do. You have a bomb, bro. Turn it up. What do you mean? Oh yeah.
Yo, I like Smartnoff.
that's so annoying.
What does the nuke do?
Oh no, no! Don't get rid of the barbed wire. He gets rid of my whole cannon strat. Hey. Oh, how did I survive? That kind of worked. You have to go for the big jump or it don't work. Oh my god! Oh, damn! Here, we'll let's quit real quick and we'll get Katie.
Watch out.
All right. Now this game you can
I
quickly
thought you
fuck
thought
each
this
other
game
over.
is easier than Transfer Mice then.
Look, see, you say that now.
Alright.
How do you rotate?
Bumpers for us? I'm not sure.
Oh shit! Well, that's where that's going.
That would have been something to look at for your controls, yeah.
Yeah, here.
Where are you putting that down at?
Probably. I'm gonna put it
Q&E.
low, so
Okay.
to make it a little bit harder.
Wait, James, why aren't you putting your item on?
Because I like to see what they're gonna do before I do anything.
No. Oh wait! Oh, my jump didn't work.
Fuck you all!
Oh yeah, I forgot to run jump.
How
Alright.
do you run?
You can wall jump, Katie. Yep.
Oh, don't run and wall jump. It does not
Quick
work.
is not the best.
So just pushing up will wall jump for you, right? Like I don't actually have to like go left, right, up, left, right, up,
No,
left,
no,
right,
no.
up.
Just
No,
into
but
the
you
wall
hold-
and jump.
You can hold your jump
Damn,
more
that's
than
easy
just
as
like.
fuck.
Oh,
Okay.
mortar! God, if collision was still on.
What is that?
It's a
Oh,
mortar.
it's the Mr. Shooty.
Oh! I forgot you put that on that.
No!
I have no idea what I'm doing.
Well, have fun. Good luck.
What?
Oh!
And
Take
the
it down by
bumper
his
times
own
another.
trap.
It's negative points for that.
Just want to tell you good luck and we're all
Damn, we're only taking 80 and Katie's taking 100. We forgot to switch.
Oh no.
What does a coin do?
It gives you extra points.
Oh.
I don't know if that's gonna pick that up or not. It did. Good. Please don't die from it again. Oh no, the stupid honey! Ah!
Oh fuck.
Oh, you don't want to give me that coin, bro? Fuck me.
What was
Is
the
it
game
even
plan?
possible to get? I mean, I guess we have to jump on that
Yeah,
tiny
you keep,
square
you
down
keep
there.
getting it.
Okay. Okay.
Oh. Ah.
I just clicked whatever came up first.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
You thought I was gonna help you guys. Wrong.
Okay, that curtain opens up to spikes that shoots out. I mean, they
I'm
don't shoot
aware.
out far. Oh, okay, sorry.
Oh fuck! I forgot about the coin.
Alright, I got it.
What?
That mortar is shooting. Ah, jeez.
Yeah, but it shot into the. That made no sense.
Oh, the
That is
mortar is
so
now going in circles.
Yeah, I put that on there last round, dude. Where were you
Yeah,
at?
didn't do that
Ain't
last
yeah.
round.
Hell yeah.
All right.
Oh, triple uppercut flowers.
What do these do?
They punch. Come get that coin, motherfucker. Come get that coin, motherfucker.
Do they kill you if they punch you?
Yes,
Yeah.
everything is like, it's insta-kill.
Oh my god. Oh! The hay bales, are they just normal platforms?
Yeah,
Why'd you give me that look? I feel like they're not normal platforms.
they are 100%. Oh! Not so normal now. Oh, come on. Be creative. That's just, you're making stairs. Make it hard to get out of spawn.
Oh, with the freaking
With the
flowers
with the
there?
girder, whatever.
James
Oh,
can
with
just
the
make
girder, yeah.
James can just make a roof. Or not place it down at all.
It just takes away everything. Oh my god, I'm gonna get crushed! Oh! Oh, Katie with the comeback. Barb.
What does honey do? What does this do?
Honey, it makes you be able to stick stuff. So
what
if
does
you
the
want
airplane do?
it just shoots, it just folds an airplane and makes an airplane.
Yeah, then you can ride the airplane.
Oh, you can?
He's
Yeah, you can make it face the other way.
Yeah, you can go all the way over and rotate, and you can just make it go across the
But as
map.
soon as it hits something, it's gonna fall up and stop.
Yeah, that's... Yeah. Fuck me!
Oh, I thought I was you, Ethan.
Oh no!
Oh,
God!
fuck that, honey.
Who did it? Who did it? I'm fucked down here.
Is it even possible to get across now?
Fuck! God, whoever added the fucking fan, fucking.
Dude, I had the fan like 2 rounds ago.
No, the honey is what fucked us.
Hey, Vale.
Hey, Bill. He threw it. Hey, Bill. Tornado.
This is what hey,
Put
man.
that there. Which one of you assholes put it? Are we blocking ourselves in?
Yeah, that was me. Oh hell yeah! I got the perfect spawn for what I wanted. This is what dreams. Oh, that was actually. Son of a bitch! Katie did that. I'm gonna be the only one that doesn't finish. Oh, I surely thought James was gonna get uppercut there.
I did too, and don't call him Shirley.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
bad even when I
contact
beat you,
points.
Ethan.
Oh, I don't know what I picked.
Oh,
I meant
not
to
the
pick the.
punchy glove.
I meant to pick the pudgy glove. What did I pick? Oh god, I got freaking this thing. Oh, Ethan, you already put yours
Oh,
down.
you should put the punchy glove at spawn. Oh, the sneaky little ice ball.
Damn! I should have waited for. Oh, who put that there?
Ah!
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
I fell into.
Oh no way! What?
That was so close. I was spamming jump.
All right, let's see it, James.
MLG Pro strats right here.
Oh,
What are you doing?
he really wants to die to the flower. And barbed wire kill. Oh no. Okay. Barbed wire kill. Oh, never mind.
I just wanted him to trigger the boxing glove and still somehow manage to get hit by it. Oh.
Congrats. Is the game over, or do this?
Oh,
not yet, he's got-
I see.
Alright, we got a chance to get him. We gotta get him.
Ooh, ooh,
Oh,
give me
someone
it.
took my honey.
honey.
Aw.
This is annoying. That propeller kills, by the way.
Is there a DLC to get more characters?
Yeah. I don't remember how. I don't know how. I think you should
Oh.
play the game. Oh, flower
Flower
finally
got me.
pays off. How did she jump on the goo?
That's what I'm
Katie,
trying
you
to
can-
figure out.
You can wall jump off the apartment. It wouldn't have really helped you that much.
No, I know. I couldn't make it though. That was lucky.
MLG Pro
MLG right
strats.
there.
And
Are you okay?
I mean Ethan won this.
Whoa!
He got straight hit by the mortar.
Just got hit by it. Okay.
The game's like, nah, you
I
got
like
this.
how we all saw that and we're like,
Hell yeah.
Cheater.